singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious day, I'm just happy again. I'm just singing in the rain all day. Oh, hey, how you doing? Just enjoying my new Oxygenics shower head I installed about 2 months ago. This thing's awesome. You got to get one of these. I got it from the shopping channel. You get 2 heads for the price of 1. You got a portable one like this, a handheld, and you get the fixed head. This thing's the bomb. You get this setting, which is like rain. And you get this one. Oh, that feels good. That'll wake you up in the morning. And if you really want to wake up, you throw it on this bad boy. Oh, yeah. Oh. Ah. Boy, does that ever feel good. Then you also got the PowerMassage setting. Oh, yeah, that feels good. If you don't have a hot tub, this is the next best thing, kids. And then there's one more setting. Oh, it's a nice light massage. With this shower head, I'll tell you, you can be in here for hours and your hot water won't run out. This thing is awesome. My favorite setting though, I usually leave it on the rain one. Nice and comfortable for every day. But I'll tell you, this Oxygenics shower head is awesome. I highly recommend it. See you later, gang. Sing in the rain, just sing in the rain. Happy again, do